Welcome back to the channel, guys. Monday evening, just leaving the dealership. Okay, oh, slow down, buddy. Wow. Yeah, I know I gotta mention that PT still there, simply because I don't think they know what's wrong with it. But anyway, that's not my mission today. I gotta check up on some things. I think he's got this engine in his truck and ready to fire it up. I don't know, but I had to bring over some goodies, see what happens. So yeah, it looks like he ready to go. I got some coolant and some oil. Yes, guys, of course we're going in with new coolants and new oil. And that car, because it's a 2014, I gotta look it up, guys. I don't know about hard, but it's gonna either take this 5-year coolant or this 10-year coolant. All right, guys, listen to me good. The correct fluid is crucial. Okay, yes, we're gonna get this right because I'm gonna find out. Like I said, I don't know about hard, and there's no way anybody should try to memorize this stuff when it's so easy to simply look this stuff up. See, I got it covered both ways. If it's 5 years, I have some. If I actually have 2 of these and 2 of these. So either way it go, I'm covered. So coolant and oil, I did go get some full synthetic Fram oil. Alright, I've been hearing nothing but good things about this oil, name brand wise. Now we're going full synthetic. Okay, SAE 5W20. 5W20 is the weight. That's what's most important. As far as the brand, guys, I'm sorry, but they all pretty close. I know a lot of guys like to brag on Mobile One, blah, 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 blah. Mobile One may be your thing of choice, but I think this car takes 5.5, but we have a half a quarter brand new oil over here. Like I say, this is what's mostly important. It's a VVT engine, and oil pressure is crucial on any such type engine. Okay, now what's something else? Coolant oil. Oh yeah, he already added the extra valve train parts. Remember I told y'all we was gonna act proactive on this thing. We're gonna replace everything that's known to fail on this vehicle. All right, so we're going in. Even though this is a used engine and it's got a warranty, I don't know, it's just something about our conscience telling us to, man, go ahead and put updated stuff in here, you know, and see what's up with it. So we'll see. All right, we got it in, man. Like I say, we got to get it all bolted up because it's a 4-wheel drive. That was a little obstacle, not much, but it was a little obstacle. Okay, I can see bell housing bolts. Now we're still trying to sell my man on his trans service, and we ain't heard back from him, so we're gonna see. It was over 100,000 miles, guys. I highly recommend you do that trans service. This is ZF 8-speed rear-wheel drive transmission. All right, don't fall for the feel for life. No, don't fall for that, guys. Don't. Everything fluid needs to be changed. Okay, now it's out of warranty, so you're on your own. It's up to you to try to prolong the life of your transmission, and the best way you can do that is by servicing it. Yeah, so this is the only obstacle we run into because it's 4-wheel drive. It's kind of a little tight fit. Not much, but it's a tight fit. Enough to cost us an extra hour, maybe. But we committed at this point, so we're gonna get her done. You know. Now, guys, you know there's all this oil right here. Y'all know where that came from, right? Remember, when you're doing oil leaks, you want to start at the top. You don't look under the bottom and find oil leaks and repair the bottom. This likely came from that oil filter adapter housing that was on the previous engine. But because we going in with a new adapter, I told y'all we acting proactive on this one. We fixing the problems, the known problems that's known to happen on these engines. So we're going in with a new oil filter adapter housing, spark plugs, even rock arms, guys. I talked about that the last couple days ago, and we also talked about this cooler. But that old engine is done. We not going backwards. We are looking forward. All right. So yeah, matter of fact, it's over. Remember, guys, I promise y'all, there's no core. I don't think. I don't know. But if there's no core on this, we're gonna try this thing down, guys. I'm nosy. I want to know what the hell what's causing that ticking noise. Because remember, I fired it up. So yeah, if you see oil all in the galley like this, it's pretty much a guarantee that that oil filter adapter housing was leaking. Now, got a lot of people are talking bad about that housing. Once you get the updated version, you pretty much should be done as far as replacing it. Okay, so don't think you're gonna have to keep replacing it. All right, I talked about these a lot. These capacitors, radio suppression devices, and ignition noise draining out, that kind of thing. But we're gonna. I'm curious to know what was wrong with this internally. Now, when he brought it, it didn't matter. His mind set on another engine, so we got the other engine. I just want to know what was going on inside. All right, so there is a warranty on that other engine, but the suspense is killing me. I want to know. Somebody was asking me where's the coolant temp sensor. It's on bank 2, guys. Bank 2 cylinder head. This is the bank 2 cylinder head. The coolant temp sensor is mounted in the rear. Say this the front. All right. So if this was a minivan, this would be facing sideways like that. So it would be up front if it was a minivan or a car, anything like that, front wheel drive vehicle. If it's a rear wheel drive, of course, the engine's setting like this, and that sensor would be in the rear on the driver's side. All right. So that is where that's located at, and y'all know about the PCV valve, but somebody was asking me where in the hell is the coolant temp sensor. All right, that sensor is responsible for sending the coolant temperature information to the computer. And from there, we had problems with that, so we're going in with a new one, so we ain't gonna worry about that. All right, so guys, yeah, I just stopped by. We should have had this thing fired up and running tomorrow, because you know why? We have no choice, guys. We have no choice. We got more work to do, so we got to get this out. And my man is, you know how customers are. They take your time. They say that, but they really want you to take your time and do it right. So they don't mean take forever. You know, I understand. I've been there, so I understand what customers mean when they say, man, just take your time and do it right. They still want it in a timely manner. They just want to make sure that you're not rushing and forget something. And that is a big no-no with us. We are professionals over here. So, and I keep getting emails from people wondering where you at, where you're located. Guys, I'll say it again. I'll keep saying it if I have to. I'm in the Atlanta area. Snellville area, basically. So, Brothers Motors, if you want to look it up, brothersmotorsllc.com, or they're on Facebook. Most of the video footage is on YouTube, but for the most part, that's where I'm located. So if you just happen to be in the area with problems with your vehicle, yeah, just hit us up, man. I don't mind keep answering that question. I have no problem with that. I don't want to, discourage anybody from. Now there is an overhead here, so guys, it's not like major tree going on. So we do have bills to pay over here. So, but I will say this: we are very competitive. All right. Yes, the big boys, very super competitive. In fact, I'm just gonna leave it at that word, competitive. All right. So, almost there. Yeah, I'm gonna call him back and see. Do we still want this trans service done? This is a nice truck, guys. What a good decision by my man. That means if you invested in this much work being done, you are obviously have plans to keep it, right? Now, also, guys, y'all know if this is a 4-wheel drive, there's going to be a rear differential as well as a front differential. We offer differential service. Just like anything else, it has to be serviced to help prolong the life of it. From time to time, you need to drain the old fluid out of differential and go in with new fluid. Drain the fluid out of differential and go in with new fluid. All right, that is an interval, I want to say around 30,000 miles, but this vehicle it's a 4-wheel drive, so there's a front and a rear differential as well, because you got to have a way to transfer torque to the front and rear, a transfer case. So, and it also requires service. So guys, if you have a 4-wheel drive vehicle, you will likely have all 3 of those, which means you likely should get all 3 of those serviced: the transfer case, front differential, and the rear differential. All right, we offer all 3 of those services at very competitive rates, guys. So don't sleep on your maintenance, or it will bite you in the end, because it will prematurely fail and cost you more money problems. All right. So guys, I got work to do. We got a lot of work to do. I could sit here and chit chat with you guys all night, but I can't do that because I have customers to please, customers to keep happy. All right.